Okay, so in this video on lists, we are looking at some of the basic list operations. Now, lists have some of the same features as a string. Lists respond to the plus sign and the multiplication operator, much like strings do. We can use the index operator, which is the brackets, to access an item in the list. Index starts at 0, so a list that has 5 elements will have an index from 0 to 4, just like with strings. Also, just like with strings, when you're counting the length of the string, meaning how long that list is, it's going to start with 1. So a lot like strings, when you're looking at a string of characters, you start at 0 to the end of whatever that string has in it. And then for counting, to know how long that string is, you start with 1. So let's look at that in Python. And I've gone ahead and typed it up. We're looking right here. Oops, sorry. Come right here. So we have my list, and I just used animals because that's what we used in the last video. Dog, cat, pig, and I have print length of animals, print animals plus bird, snake. So I'm adding bird and snake to my animals. Then I have print high, print turtle in animals, and that's going to tell me whether or not turtle is in animals, and then print dog in animals, and that's going to tell me whether or not dog is in animals. So for items in animals, print item, and then I'm going to the end. So I'm going to click run. And here I have, there are 3 items. I counted the length of it. I have dog, cat, pig, and then I added bird and snake. And then I have right here, print high 3 times, multiplied by 3, so high, high, high. Then it looked for turtle in my list. It said print turtle in animals. There is no turtle, so that's false. Then it said print dog in animals, and I looked for dog, and there was dog, so that came back true. And then I used a for loop to go through my list and print everything in my list. Now notice, birds and snake are no longer in my list. All I did was concatenate it together. I said, take what's in animals, add it to with birds and snake, add that to it. So it didn't actually put those items in there. If I wanted those items in there, I would have to do some other functions, and I will show you that in our next video. But if you have any questions about this video and how using the plus sign, the multiplication sign, or a for loop with your list, please let me know and we will go over that further.